German Cleaning Equipment and has set up a multi-million shillings distribution facility at the Tatu Industrial Complex and the regional market. The company has committed 428 million shillings to establish a distribution center at Freight Forwarder Solution in expansive Tatu City in Kiambu County.
Started in 2009, the Tatu City Special Economic Zone has already secured investments totaling to 300 million from over 78 enterprises. Investors within the 5,000-acre Special Economic Zone benefit from various VAT-0 rating and favorable corporate tax rates. Germany-based cleaning equipment manufacturer Ksh.428 has committed 4 million to establish its regional distribution center at Freight Forwarder Solutions in Tatu City. According to the Deputy Chief Executive Officer, there is advanced technology to provide products and services in the region. Meanwhile, China-based Full Care Medical has set up a medical garment valued at 4 billion shillings that will incorporate solar technology for sustainable manufacturing of medical goods destined for both domestic use and export. Expected to employ 1,800 Kenyans, with plans to increase the workforce to 7,000 in subsequent phases. Ian Muse for Prime Edition.